In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade a plan in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to select a suitable plan that meets your needs and gives you access to enhanced features. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. This action will direct you to the main interface where you can manage your account and campaigns. Once the page loads, you should see options related to your Mailchimp account. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Pricing Plans. This option is generally found in the main navigation menu. Upon selecting this, you will be taken to a page displaying the various plans available, including their features and pricing details. After that, you may see a message indicating that you have access to the standard plan for free. This notification confirms that you currently have a plan and that there is an upgrade option available. Review the information presented to understand your current plan's benefits. Once this appears, look for a message that highlights why customers see significant returns on investment with the standard plan. This will often include a mention of a risk-free trial period, allowing you to explore the plan without immediate financial commitment. Take note of this offer as it provides an opportunity to evaluate the features before making a decision. Now, find the option to customize your plan. Click on the link that invites you to select an offer. This will reveal different pricing options based on your selections. Make sure to consider your business needs and the number of contacts you anticipate, managing as these factors can influence your choice. Next, you will want to click on the button that says Try for Free. This action will initiate the trial process for the selected plan. Watch for any confirmation messages that may appear, indicating that the trial has been activated. Keep in mind that larger email lists or additional features may affect the ongoing costs after the trial period ends. Following this, a message will inform you of the monthly fee that will be charged once the trial concludes. It is important to note this amount, as it will be billed unless you cancel before the trial ends. Ensure that you are comfortable with this expense moving forward. After reviewing the costs, look for a message offering a discount for accounts with 10,000 or more contacts. If you anticipate having a large subscriber base, this discount can significantly reduce your expenses. Verify your contact list size to maximize potential savings. Now, proceed by clicking on View All Plans. This will display a comprehensive list of all available plans, allowing you to compare features side by side. Take your time to evaluate which plan aligns best with your marketing objectives. Next, select the premium option to explore its features and pricing. This plan is designed for users who require advanced tools and capabilities. Review the details presented to ensure it meets your needs before making a final decision. Afterwards, you may notice a message related to the plan details. Pay attention to this information as it will provide insights into the plan's capabilities and pricing structure. Understanding these aspects will help you in making an informed choice. Now, click on Standard to view its specific features. This plan often balances cost and functionality, making it a popular choice for many users. Assess whether this plan's offerings are suitable for your marketing strategy. Finally, you can select the Essentials plan if you prefer a more basic option. This plan may be ideal for smaller businesses or those just starting with email marketing. Review the features to determine if it aligns with your current requirements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.